Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to convert HTML website to WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to open your WordPress admin area, and here you can see we have pages and post also. You can use either one of them, but for this tutorial, I'm going for the page. If I open page in a new link tab, as you can see, these are the pages which I have on my website, right? So what if you want to create one more page for the website? So how you can do that, just open a new page, obviously from at the top, add new page, and it would take you to where you can create your new page, right? And at the top, you will see edit with Elementor. If you don't see this, what you can do, just go back and find plugins on the left side of the menu, click on add new plugin, and you can search at the top left corner Elementor. Once you search Elementor at the top right corner, you can see that we have this first one and you can install it and activate it. So what you can do, just go back to that page, click on edit with Elementor. Once you click on that, it would take some time to load up, and as you can see over here, it says loading up. Once it's loaded, you will see something like this. Here you can see I have something over here like Spark Electricians, and this is from my existing website. Obviously you cannot see anything over here once you start from scratch, right? So what happens that you will see only this window, and what you're going to do is just click on the left side here on the search panel and search for shortcode. Once you click on shortcode, you can just drag it and drop over here. Once you drag and drop over here, what you're going to do now, you are going to paste code over here, HTML code over here. Once you paste that, you would see on the right side, it would change and it would create your website. How you can do that? So I have generated some, HTML code from ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this first link, and this is about reviews. So let's just say you are creating a review page, right? So I copy that and paste that over here. So you would see on the right side, it quickly generated that HTML code and change it into what I wanted, right? And there is one more over here. If I copy this all, go back to their page, and I'm going to remove this existing HTML and paste that over here again. You can see on the right side, I have also one more with the table, the customer reviews. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to convert HTML website to WordPress. And after that, what you can do, just click on the publish button over here and it would be ready to use. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.